Want to instantly boost your website's credibility and attract more customers? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Widget for Google Reviews and hit Enter. Locate the Widget for Google Reviews plugin, usually by TrustIndex, and click the Install Now button. Once installed, the button will change to Activate, so click that next. After activation, you will be redirected to the TrustIndex dashboard. Here, click the big blue button to connect your Google account. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose the Google account associated with your Google business profile. Select the correct account. Grant TrustIndex the necessary permissions to access your Google business profile reviews by clicking Allow. Back in the TrustIndex dashboard, you should now see your Google business profile connected. Copy the shortcode provided. Open the Elementor page where you want to display the reviews. Search for the shortcode widget in Elementor. Drag and drop the shortcode widget to your desired location on the page. Paste the shortcode you copied from TrustIndex into the shortcode box within the widget's settings. And that's it. Your Google My Business reviews are now displayed beautifully on your Elementor website. Building trust and showcasing happy customers. Remember to hit publish to make the changes live.